everyone, welcome to my channel Learn SQL Shahid. Today we are going to discuss about schema and object level. Before that, I want to let you know guys about the impersonate at user level. Okay, so as I showed in my previous sessions, we can impersonate at logins, right? This is a database level we can impersonate. So what we have to do is we can go and create two logins as same example I will take as in my previous sessions. I will create one login as Ranveer and Deepika. Ranveer will be the dummy login, okay? SQL authentication. Password I am going 1234 1234. So Ranveer will be dummy login. I have to create user as well, right? If I click on db1 here, then Ranveer user will be created here. Okay, I'm not giving any database roles permission here. You can see. So I'm simply creating one login and I'm creating one user. Okay, for Ranveer, I'm mapping the Ranveer user to Ranveer login. So I'm clicking on OK now. So it has created now. So then again I am going to security. I'm creating new login here. So in server roles, I will select sysadmin and I will create one login as Deepika. Deepika has sysadmin login here. Okay. Giving password as 1234 again. So if you see here, I have given already sysadmin. Creating Deepika login. I'm clicking on OK. Now what I have to do at user level means if I expand this database, if I expand this db1 database, then I will be seeing here in security users Ranveer login is there. I can right click and properties here, then same as it is securables, then search for all object of the types, click OK, then search for login users. Okay, users, click on OK, and then you'll be seeing here Ranveer. I had to create Deepika user also. What I can do is here create user Deepika for login. See here I can give through GUI also. If I go to this security again, if I double click on Deepika login, okay, I click refresh. Double clicking and if I go to this user mapping, then this is also one thing as I shown before also, now also again I am showing. So Deepika user has created. Okay, without that if I also script it, same thing it will come, create user Deepika for login Deepika, same thing. Okay, can execute. Now the Deepika user has been created. So I will go to that database user and securables. So if I refresh this, uh, I'll do one thing. I will refresh this and refresh. Okay, this database. Then again I will go to security users. Now we'll be seeing here, right? So I can double click on Ranveer securables. Then again I have to search here, then all objects of the type, then click on OK, then you will be finding here users. Okay, click OK, then you will be seeing now Deepika. Okay, Deepika has sysadmin also, like it is a database user level, right? I had to give it db1 owner we need to give. Actually here instead of sysadmin what I have to do is I have to give Deepika as DB owner because at database level, right? So if you go to server roles again, you can take this sysadmin out to user mapping. Then at user level, user should be there here. Then I am giving or else I can do db underscore data writer. Data writer means insert, update, delete we can perform. Okay. So I have impersonated. Okay. Now Deepika I can create and I can I have to click on Deepika and do impersonate. Then again what here Ranveer can do, like he has to connect with this with his login. Connect. I removed Deepika as sysadmin. Okay, I have given only DB writer. Okay, so here I have to take with SQL authentication. Then Ranveer should log on, right? Because I have impersonated for Deepika on Ranveer. Okay. Password 1234, click OK, then connected. What I can do, I had to go to the database, right click new query. Okay, then execute as user equal to Deepika. Okay, now command got completed successfully. See the Ranveer here is dummy login. Okay, Deepika is DB owner. So I can select means I can't select I can insert. Okay, I can insert in table 1 here. Okay, so what I can do here, DB writer, right? Insert into table 1 values. Okay, values you can give 4 comma 4. So if you execute, it will insert. So command got executed successfully. Here if you run the select, see this is the impersonation at user level. So hope you got understood, everyone. You can't select because I have given only writer, I have not given a DB reader. So this demo has been completed. Now I'll be proceeding with this schema and object level. First of all, schema means like container. Okay, as we expand this database tables, then we have here dbo. Okay, tables means Ranveer can't be here, so I will disconnect and I will connect here. So if you expand this tables, if you see here DBO is there. No, this is the default schema of user database in the tables. Okay, so DBO is the default schema, and also if you expand this schemas here, if you go down, whatever you are seeing here, DB access admin, backup operator, data reader, data writer, DDL admin, deny data writer, deny data reader, DB owner, security admin, also other one type of schemas. Leaving that, apart from that, DBO guest information scheme underscore this and all the also schemas only. And if you right click on schema, so it is the storage. Okay, schemas means like Shahid schema also can create the Shahid, since the inside the Shahid schema, Shahid can create tables inside that schema and store it. Okay, so it is a storage unit, we can say schema. Okay, So we can give the permission on that to another user, so he can perform whatever the action is required, like insert, update. We have to give the particular permission the schema. I will show you that. Before that, schema is a container, okay, in which table can be stored, and schemas are logical. This have to keep in mind. So what I will be doing means I will right click here and creating new schema. Then here schema name I will be giving new SCH, okay, new schema. So schema owner is there, no, I am not giving anything. If schema is owner, I won't give anything, means it will take it as dbo itself, okay. So I will click OK now. So if you again double click on this and see, by default it took dbo only schema. So what I will do is I will be creating one new user called schema owner, okay. Right click, new login, SCH user I am creating on login level also. So if I come here, then on db1, okay, here I am giving I am creating one SCH user also, okay. So what I can do here, if I browse, you can't see here, see here, you can see here new schema, okay, what I have created. You can click on it and click OK. So what I have created here in the schema, okay, for expand this here, see schema, it has been fetched data from that, okay, here, okay. So I have browsed, then I have clicked OK, so it new schema has came here. So what the thing I can do means I can click OK now, okay. First of all, here I not given password, okay. So I am now giving the password 1234. So click OK. Now schema user has created, okay. Now one more change we have to do, as I showed you in my schema. So I have not changed anything. I have left default. So what I will be doing, I can search here again. I can click OK. I can type also like SCH user, okay. If you know the name, you can type it and check names. Then you can click OK. So also I have changed the schema owner name, because whenever we delete the user, we have to transfer that schema to another user, okay, or else DBO, default user also, okay, DBO. So that we need to change the owner, okay. So the purpose of that is that only. Now what can I do is now now that user ch user can what he can do, so he can't create the table, okay. So if I go and create the table, I will exit this, okay. Here this thing I am creating a table new sh, and means new sh means this is the schema, okay, or else it would have been dbo here. Now I have created a new schema, on that I am creating a new schema, I am creating a table, okay. So here this cycle will run, okay. I have made sch user schema owner, okay, it's a new schema owner. So here if I run this command, then I can't able to create the table because the permission is denied, okay. So I have to create Shahid has to create, okay. So he is the sysadmin and everything rights, no. And also if I have create table permission also, I can create that, okay. So if you go here, then yeah, here it is. You have to create the table, okay, of this new schema. Then here you can insert any table values, okay. So this one should be there because I created with schema, right. This is mandatory dot So see here, right click, refresh. Again you will be seeing here table, new schema dot table one. Okay. See here, same dbo dot table one also is there. New schema dot table one is also is there, because schemas are different, because it has created, or else it would have showed a table already exist error. Okay. So with different schema I am creating, so it is not showing any error. So now SCH user is owner, right? So what can I do? I have to exit this connection. So I have to connect with SCH user here. Connect SQL authentication 1234. SCH user is there. I'm connecting now with that, and here I have to take one connection on right click new query. Okay. So here you can insert the record. Already I have 4 records, right? What I will do is I will insert 5 values. Okay. Because of schema owner, he can insert the records. Okay. See, rows has been affected. As I showed previously, can't create the table. Okay. So see, again I will be showing for your better clarification. If I create here 2, you can't create. So creation of table is not possible if schema owner, because newly schema is created now, because it has to be done by create table permission or sysadmin or DB owner, something like that. And he can update the table also. Okay. So and also he can select the table. He can select the table. Okay. One record has only inserted. Okay, because it is a new table, right? I have inserted only one record actually. I click and right click this select top. If you see here, only one record is there. Okay. Okay, I have only inserted one record with 5. Okay. So he can select the data, and he can drop the table also. So schema will be dangerous. You have to be careful whenever you make any user as a schema owner. Okay. Because you can drop the table also. If you right click and refresh, now table is gone. See here, table is gone. You can't see the table. In sysadmin also, if I refresh means, see here, you can't see the table. Okay, which I created. So schema owner can drop the table, select, update, insert, everything you can do apart from creation of the table. Okay. Now you would have been understood that importance of schema, and schema is a logical thing, and it is a container which tables are stored in logical. Okay. Means it is logical, but tables are we can partition the data. And also you might have means you might have doubt why what's the need of this schema, means like we will be having hundreds of tables right here. Here new schema dot table 1, new schema dot table 2, new schema dot table 3, 4, 5, 6 till 100 tables. Here if I want to give any user has permission. Okay, new user comes and I want the permission what on I want the permission on this SCH user. Okay, or else I can say it as Amar. Okay, Amar has is the schema owner. Okay, for example he want permission. Okay, and Akbar comes and ask on Amar schema, I want permission. Okay, you can give insert permission. If you give insert permission on schema, whatever the 100 tables are there on the same schema, new schema dot table means, or else example Amar dot table 1, Amar dot table 2, like that. Whatever the Amar, how many ever the tables Amar schema has, he is the owner, and Akbar will get same permissions. Okay. Same means all tables permission will be getting. Means if I give insert on Amar schema, so he'll be getting all tables, okay, on all tables. So that is the use of schemas, and it can be partition and kept separately. I can make as it has a different group, okay. So that is the importance of schema. And also before 2005, if we delete our schema, right, SH user is there, no. Also this if you delete the user, then schema also gets deleted automatically. Also it is applicable for Oracle, means now also it is applicable. If you delete any user, schema also get deleted automatically. And also user cannot give permission, user cannot give another user permission on schema. You can give through comments, because if I go and expand here this in SH user, right? He is only first of all dummy login, because he can't view. He is the schema owner, okay? He can't view anything, okay, on the database and all. See here. Now he can't view on this also. Schema owner, right? He can't view anything on this. So if I expand DB2, because he is the schema owner, so DB2 if I expand, he can't view anything also. See? If I click on again, it came error, okay. So that is the reason, okay. Because SCHO user only the dummy login. He has to give through only commands as I ran here. He can give only through commands. He can't give through GUI, going, expanding, going to security. He can't do that things and all, okay. So he can't do that, and I have to give that in command based only. Developer will give to developer, okay. So in real class you have to keep in mind that, guys, everyone will come to DBA only, because we are the database administrator. We have to give permission. They will ask us only, nobody will ask. But for your knowledge purpose, I am just sharing this everything. So now what I had to do is I will give the user permission on schema, okay. So what I will do, again I will go to here, I will run this command, okay. I will create this table. I'm creating on child user, because he can't create, okay. So here I am inserting open record. I will insert one only, one, and sorry, here 1 comma 1, okay. So I have to first check, okay, here the either everything is exist or not. I have to go to security users. Here we have SH user, and schemas also have to go and check. Here if I have this yeah, everything is fine. And also SH user is the owner of new SH schema, okay. So I can insert now, no problem. I'm inserting this table, okay. On this table one record I have inserted. If I select also, I can select, I will not drop. Now what I will do means I will create another user, okay. I will create user has or else I have this login also, right, Ranveer login. I will provide him, okay. I will provide him means that user schema, on schema I will be providing him permissions, okay. So what I can do, like I had to go to this db1 database, yeah, db1 database. I click refresh this tables, uh, on security and users, on Ranveer I had to double click here. So if you double click here, then you can see here securables search. all object of the type. And now I am showing you how to give the permissions of schema. Okay, you have to search for schema, then you have to check this and click OK. So what you can do is impersonate. I am removing Andipika. Search all object of the type. Okay, schema, click OK. Then what I am doing is here schema is there. No, I can click on this and what type of permission it does need. If we need insert, Ranveer needs insert, then I can give insert permission on that schema, new schema. So I can click OK. If he has that permission, he can insert. Okay. So I'll connect again as Ranveer here, database engine. Ranveer, I will give your password again. Click OK. Then I will insert another record here. Control C. I'll expand this, right click in new query. Then if I insert second record here, to can do like this. Okay, one row has inserted successfully. I have given schema level permissions. Okay, for Ranveer on SH user. Okay. So also what you can do means you can do through, we can see through graphical also. So here already I will go to this again security users Ranveer login. Then I have this insert, right, securables new schema. So I have given insert permission now on new schema. Now I can give him select permission as well. Okay, if you script this, you will find here, see on a command how to give this permission. Okay, on schema how can we give the permission to user. See, grant select on schema, this new schema to run, where you can, if you give this, then if you execute, then what Ranveer can do is now he can select the data as well. Okay, now Ranveer can select the data. So right click, select top 100,000. Okay, because we have connection here with Ranveer, now we had to give it through by this user Shahid. Okay, because I am the sysadmin, I can do anything. So now the commands has been completed successfully. What I will be doing means I will click right click a new query again on the database. If I select, now the permission has been granted. Okay, because I am on sysadmin. And now we can view the data like that. You can give the schema level permissions to any user. Okay, I have a schema owner, user is the owner, and new schema he has owned. Okay, so if I give that to any users on schema level, then we can give this particular permission as select, insert, update, anything, as we can see here. As I shown you previously, right? Double click on Ranveer schema. Okay, securable. See here, this and all permission we can give on schema. Okay, so this is also the possible way to give permissions. So if we have hundreds of tables, if I give one schema, then every table will be having permissions. Okay, this is the container and also as a partition. So we can create use like Ammar schema, Akbar schema, Antony schema, Shahid schema, everything. Okay, if Shahid has 100 tables, then if I give permission to any user on one Shahid schema, then he will, I can access 100 table. If he has Akbar schema, Then if I give permission on Akbar schema Akbar, okay, so he can access 100 tables. So that is the concept for if I give schema level permission, okay, so it will be very easy. And next I will be going to discuss about this contained user, okay, and what is that like and all. I will explain in next class. Without logging to the Windows or SQL, we can log into the database level, okay, with user, okay, without any logins as this, okay. This is the user. I can enter in Ranveer, okay. Directly I can connect as Ranveer user instead of this Ranveer login, okay. Here and all we have connected through Ranveer login, and user login is supporting the user, so I can perform these actions and all here. So I will be discussing everything in next class. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Take care.